Young blood. All right.
Look at that. Right. Oh, is that how you take off? No. Will you take off that one? I don't know. I really want to try. I'm scared. Go right to the end and shoot the wing out. Oh, the Mig's going to join him.
Mig's going after him.
And the poor BA out.
So, hey, Max, after your takeoff, come do a pass and I'll come intercept you.
Okay. That turbo is wobbling a lot. You think it's okay for that?
Well, it's just on the ground. I mean, I don't know. What do you think? Does it?
Alright. Get off.
Landing flaps. Takeoff flaps.
You all good? Doing your pass now? Okay, going up.
Gear up, flaps up.
In hot pursuit.
There you go, Max. Let's see that pass right there with the wing swept back.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Low pass right down the runway. Max, you got to back up. Too close.
I'm going to be going down.
Okay. That thing flies good on the stock motors. It's not bad.
Going down to the right.
Okay.
I want to check something.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Okay. Fast little pass from the right.
Nice, alright. I'm going to bring this guy in.
Come on.
Coming in from right. I'm going to bring it in.
Bye bye.
Gear down. I'm going to do a gear check in a moment, okay? Alright, landing!
Okay, I'm gonna do a pass before you come in.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Look at those full flaps.
Strafing you on the runway. Ah.
Gear down.
And tell me when you're clear.
Landing flaps.
It's burning, man. All right, I can see you're clear.
I'm clear.
Yeah, I can see you.
It's not bad for shock. No, it's not.
Flaps up.
Alright.
Oh yeah, there's some things. I want to put some different things in the front. It's not too bad.
All right, Johnny, you're clear.
All right, thank you.
Yep.
Okay, the full span flaps make it land a lot better.
Is it better?
Yeah.
Cool. What do you use for ailerons when it does that?
So it's, when I throw down, it's like that.
Okay. Oh, that's perfect. Okay.
And then when the wings are up, the ailerons are like that. So they just go
Just
up.
go up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Which
that's perfect. Keeps it from
is-
adverse yaw.
Yeah, that's what the RC Geek has.
Yeah.
And then Frank did it and was like, yeah. Because I originally had just normal ailerons, and I thought it flew fine. Then I did this, and it flew better. Like, there's nothing wrong with flying it, but like, if you have it set up the way mine is.
Well, the real one, it used
These
these little
square-
slats.